Replacing an employee costs between 50 and 200% of their annual salary, and 52% of people who leave say their manager could have prevented it. Retention isn't luck. It's a system. 4 pillars drive retention. Competitive compensation keeps you in the market. Career development matters most. 94% of employees would stay longer if their company invested in their growth. Recognition programs make people 63% more likely to stay. And manager quality ties it all together. Stay interviews are one of the most underused tools in HR. Organizations running structured stay interview programs reduce voluntary turnover by up to 20% by addressing issues before they become resignations. Retention is cheaper, faster, and more effective than replacement. The data is clear. Visit performancereviewssoftware.com for proven